People in construction still talk about quality like it's an opinion. That's good quality, that's bad quality, that bit of work looks tidy, that looks rough. But the industry needs to understand something. Quality in 2026 is no longer subjective. It's not about opinions anymore. It's not about whether something looks good or doesn't. And it's definitely not about craftsmanship anymore in the way that people traditionally think about it. Quality today is about compliance. It's about standardization. It's about reducing non-conformances. It is about making sure that every single element of work meets a minimum required standard exactly as intended. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's where people get wrapped up and confused because people still think quality sits on a sliding scale. Like there's very good quality, average, and poor. And that's just not the case anymore. Work, it either complies or it doesn't. It either meets the standard or it fails. It's simply a yes or no, pass or fail. It's ones and zeros. Quality, it's become binary. And whether people like hearing that or not, that is the reality of modern construction. Because construction today, it is driven by compliance, regulation, warranties, standards, inspections, sign-offs, and ultimately accountability. You cannot build based on opinion anymore. You build on set standards, agreed specifications. You build on design requirements, manufacturer's guidance. You build to set agreed tolerances. And if you fail to meet any of those, then ultimately it's non-conformance, and it's as simple as that. I think this is where a lot of frustration comes from within this industry. People take it personally when their work gets pulled, but somebody saying a detail is non-compliant, it's not a personal attack. They are simply saying that it does not meet the set standards, the set requirements written down in their manual or in their book. They are saying the installation does not meet the standard required. And there's a huge difference because quality control today, it's not about somebody walking around site saying, that looks nice, that looks very tidy. It's about verification. Does it comply? Yes or no? And people working in construction, we really need to start understanding that. Because if you're carrying out works on site today, you're not just being judged on appearance anymore. You're being judged by a set standard. You're being judged by compliance. You're being judged against specification, against approved details, against documented requirements. And the sooner this industry understands that quality is now become absolute, not subjective, then projects will start to run much better. We'll see fewer defects, we'll see fewer disputes, and ultimately less money will get wasted on fixing things that should have been done correctly the very first time.